Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we are unboxing a MacBook Air M2 Starlight color. Let me open the package. Voila! Okay, that's as always interesting packaging. Why it's interesting? I think it's interesting because it was always interesting forms. Okay, here's the box itself. MacBook Air. We bought the most base one, 256 gigabyte, the slower SSD, and 8 gigabytes of RAM, because we gonna use this computer just as a simple browser, family computer, maybe a computer for trips and so on. Pretty much like the media consumption, the office machine, the budgeting machine, and similar. Okay, let's dig into the packaging. The plastic wrapping, as always, is very satisfying to unbox. ASMR-ish sounds. Okay, let's open the box. And here we go. Nothing here. Cardboard box. Let me put it to the side. Now the computer itself. Lift it up. Ooh, it's so cold. Okay, let's move the computer to the side. Laptop. Let's see what do we have here. We have a charger, simple 1-port charger. Let's unbox that up. Wrapped up in paper. As nowadays all products is only paper or cardboard. This is gonna be a 30-watt charger. Put it to the side. The new MagSafe 3.0 cable, wrapped up in, of course, paper. Cool. I like the addition of the MagSafe. Really USB-C. What do we have inside of there? Nothing else. We have a guide about the things that's pretty much is understandable by everyone, that there's USB 4, Thunderbolt, MagSafe, headphone. Okay, some power, Wi-Fi, and the stickers. Cool. Now let's go and take and wrap off the computer itself. Let's take the garbage out, put it to the side. And here we have the laptop itself. Ooh, oh, that's good unboxing experience. Damn. What about fingerprints? It's almost almost not there, only here on the logo. Only here on the logo. Very, very cold. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Let's try and open it up. Iconic sound. And we got an Apple. So guys, thank you for watching. That was MTP Tech unboxing the new MacBook Air M2 Starlight color. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye!